Rayman Can, I have a Duraflame indoor-outdoor fire log. Here's the package it comes in. Let's go ahead and check it out. On the front of the package, it says fast lighting, burns cleaner than wood, and it lasts 3 hours. When you put the fire log in its place, you leave it in a wrapper and you simply light right where you see those 2 red arrows at. Let's go ahead and test it out and see how it looks. This is the 20-second mark. And this is the 1 minute mark. And I can confirm that this fire log does last right around 3 hours. You can use it indoors and outdoors. I love the fact that these particular fire logs don't give off any type of strong smell. They also provide a very subtle crackling sound here and there. And they light up pretty fast. After a minute, you have a full-blown flame. For more information on this product or to purchase this product, I'll put an Amazon affiliate link below in the description. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.